So we have all been in a situation where we think if our phone was a little faster or hope that we get a faster network. Well, here are a handful of tips for you. Unwanted apps are a huge problem, as once we have downloaded it, it just sits there in an app drawer and takes up the RAM memory and also uses network in the background. So first and foremost, get rid of all such unwanted and unused apps. We are all very familiar and honestly annoyed by ads that are bombarded to us on our devices. Who wouldn't want to get rid of ads? Well, to get rid of ads, you should get yourself a great ad blocker app. Go to the Play Store and just type ad blocker and download one with a good rating. Autosync is a setting that is inbuilt and one that takes up a lot of network. Go to settings, search for autosync. This helps your account to be up to date and backs up a few things. This last trick is for Jio users to get a little boost and for good network. Go to settings and go to SIM card settings. Select Jio and go to APN and follow these instructions same as they are shown here. If you have liked this, I hope you can stick around and subscribe to the channel.